Hi guys, I'm Tanise Dunbar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to be covering who is a mentor and what is the purpose of a mentor. So stay tuned. So if you have ever had a mentor before, that is absolutely amazing. But if you're someone who's probably taken on a new venture and you probably don't know exactly the ins and outs of it, you should probably think about getting a mentor. Now, who is a mentor? A mentor is like a trusted advisor, someone who's been there before, done that before, and knows the ins and outs of the industry or whatever venture it is that you're pursuing. So the first thing that a mentor does is that they educate. They educate you on particular topics like, who and who to talk to, what exactly that you need to research. They educate you on the industry, so you're knowledgeable about all the aspects of it. The next thing that the mentor does is that they connect you. The mentor has probably been in the industry for a couple of years. They probably have formed some meaningful connections with some persons, so they know who to get you talking to as it regards to any particular problem or anything that you really need to do per se. Now the mentor also encourages you. No one is always so motivated. Sometimes we're gonna have our down times and we may not feel as if we want to do it right now, but a mentor is going to be that inner voice that is pushing you, that is propelling you to go forward. Now I really don't like this part, but it's something that we have to absolutely do to become a better person. The mentor also tells you what you're doing wrong, so the mentor critiques you. Now the only way to grow is if you find out what it is that you're doing wrong, because if you knew exactly how to get to a particular point or how to become a particular person, you would have probably done that already. So the mentor is going to be the one who is sitting on the sidelines giving you constructive criticisms on how to improve your performance and how to become better. The next thing that a mentor does is that he is the trusted advisor. He's the person that you, or she rather, is the person that you go to when you want to run ideas by, and if you really want to do something different. And the last but not least, the mentor stimulates your growth. Now the ultimate purpose of a mentor in your life is to simply take you to the point that you want to be. They take you from one level and put you onto a next level. Now that is their purpose, and if they have not done that, they are probably going to feel as if they have not done their job. So I hope this video covers the purpose of a mentor. Please like and subscribe if you love the concept, and stay tuned for more.